Today I'm going to be talking about how to find a better city to dash in, how to find a city where you can make at least $200 a day, $150 a day is good as well, you know, without having to work 15 hours to do so. You know, like who wants to work 10 hours to make $150? That's $15 an hour. We might as well work somewhere else. So we want to make $20 an hour, so we need to find a better city to work in. And when I first started dashing, it was taking me 10 hours to make $100 because I didn't know anything. I was dashing from home, from the crib. I just log on from home and I dash from there, and I was making terrible money. You know, even when I decided, no, I don't want to sit at home, I want to be out here next to the restaurants. I figured that out. You know, maybe if I'm next to the restaurants, I'll get more orders. Even when I did that, I was struggling. I wasn't seeing any orders over $10. I remember my first $10 order. It was crazy. But so today I'm gonna be talking about how to find better cities. Somebody commented from St. Louis. You know, I'm making this video for them. They're from St. Louis, and well, this video is for everybody, you know, but my example is gonna be for St. Louis. So he lives in St. Louis. He says St. Louis, he doesn't see the orders that were shown in my last video. He doesn't see orders like that. He's basically telling me that his market isn't as good as mine. So I wanted to help him find a better market around him, if I can, you know, because it's not going to be 100% proof for everybody in America. It's not going to, outside of America, I don't know how it's going to go, like Canada, Doordashers, I don't know. I don't know if this will help you or not, but I'm trying to be as helpful as possible to as many people I can be helpful to. So, first things I do is I go on Google. Everybody go on Google real quick. Type in the richest cities in your area, in your state. Okay, so when I typed in the richest cities in Missouri, I got a top 10 list. So what I do with this top 10 list, I want to find out which ones is closest to St. Louis, because I'm not from out there. So you guys probably can skip this step. I got to find out what's closest to St. Louis, so he don't got to drive more than an hour away. You know what I mean? So I drive 35, 40 minutes to go dash every day. So, you know, about 30 miles every day I go drive to go dash, because that's the best city around me. You know what I mean? Like if I dash in my city, I'm not going to make any money. So I'll go out here and dash. And it's not that much gas. It's all highway. You know what I mean? So it all works out for me. All right. So he had Des Perez and Ladue. I don't really know how to say these names. In Chesterfield, that was close to him. So I checked out the populations of all these. So the first one, the Des Perez, Missouri, population is like 8,000-9,000, and so is the Ladue, it's like 8,000-9,000. But then Chesterfield, it was perfect. It's a 47,000 population. It's not too big. It's not too, you know what I'm saying? The city I dash in is about 60,000. So I see 47,000. That was a couple years ago too, so it's probably more by now. That's where you should go try to dash, is Chesterfield, because they're on the list of the richest cities. They're close to you. You know what I mean? It's close to you. I would try dashing out there or anywhere that's close to you on that top 10 list. But that's just an example of somewhere I would try, which would be Chesterfield, Missouri, because it's 47,000 population. And they are close to St. Louis, and they're on the richest city list. Like, it's gonna be the richest city. You can look up retirement communities. You can look up, you know, just where's the money coming from, you know? Where's the money coming from in your state? Like, where's the money at? That's basically what you're looking for when you're trying to find a better place to dash, is where's the money, you know? Another couple tips I like to stick to, because after I found out from experience, I don't like dashing in huge downtowns. Like in Ohio, Columbus downtown you can make a lot of money out there though. You can make a lot of money, but I don't like the parking. I don't like the traffic. All these type of things, to me, get in the way of my money. But obviously there's people out there that dash and make good money, but I can't do it. You know what I mean? I like my day to be simple. I like my day to be stress-free. You know, I like my city that I drive in. I don't want to have a bunch of dirt roads and, you know, stuff like that, you know. everybody can't be as spoiled as I spoiled myself with this DoorDash shit, but everybody can, well, not everybody, but most of y'all are gonna be able to take this method and find a better city. If you have any questions, or if you want me to find a better city for you, just leave a comment, and I'll make a video about it. I'll make a video about your state. If you leave a comment, just let me know. Remember, y'all, I started off just like y'all. You know, I don't know it all or anything, but I just want to be as helpful as possible. And thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like the video, or let YouTube know that my videos are doing okay, that I'm being helpful, or whatever the case is. It's all good. All right, y'all, man, I hope y'all have a good dash today. I hope this information can help somebody out there. Let's get it, man. Let's get back to Dash.